Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In this series, we are going to build a complete project together, step by step. And the project name is the Task Manager, and we are building it using the MERN stack. MERN means MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. If you are a complete beginner in this, don't worry, this series is made for you. We will go slow, we will explain everything in this series. Now, before we start writing any code, let me first show you what we are going to build. So this is the task manager app application we are building. So you can see here there are two cards. First one is the total task and one shows the completed task. I will add a task here. Let's say learn node.js and just press the enter and I get you can see here the task is added in the list. Let me add two, three more like JavaScript course and press enter. I get it, and let me add one more React native and see I get the three tasks here: learn Node.js, JavaScript course, learn React native here. And like now if I click on the circle icon, you see if I click on the circle icon, the task is marked as a completed. See, it gets a strike through also, and the completed count goes to up like one here. If I write here one, so now it goes to two here. If I write here also click here, now I get the 3. If I again click it, I get the 2 completed. So now, and if I click on this red button, the task is deleted, simple and clean, and total task count is also decreased here. So it is a clean, simple and easy to understand project for beginners. Now let me tell you what technologies we are using to build this. First is the Node.js. This run our backend, our server is built on the Node.js, and Express. This is the framework that help us to create API routes easily. And MongoDB, this is our database. All tasks are saved here. And React, this is our front end. What you see in the browser, that is the React. That is completely React. And together these four are called the one stack. This is the one of the most popular combination for building the web application. Now let me show you the code, means the folder structure quickly. So here we have the two main folder, server and the client. So inside the server folder, this is our completely backend, and inside it we have the config folder, controller, models and routes, and we will create it all of these one by one. And in the client folder, this is our React front end. Inside we have our pages folder, like in the src and pages, and our main file is the home.jsx. So this one file handle everything on the front end. You see here the task manager, this all the list, and this form and these two cards, all of these are in here in this home.jsx file. So don't worry if this look confusing right now. I will we will build everything from the scratch, file by file, by in the backend also, in the front end also. Now before the next video, make sure you have these tool installed on your computer. First one is the node.js. Yes, first is the node.js. Download it from this nodejs.org, and just click your this OS, Windows, Mac, Linux, or anyone, and just download it. Second one is the code editor. I am using the VS Code. You can use the Sublime or Sublime also. Now third one is the MongoDB account, MongoDB Atlas account. You have to just move to the mongodb.com and click on sign in, and you will get you have to just sign in here, and this is totally free. Just go to this mongodb.com and create an account here. And last one is the Postman. We will use this to test our backend API, and download it also for the from the postman.com, and that's it. These four things and you are ready. First Node.js, Second, code editor. You can use anyone, VS Code or Sublime. Third one is the MongoDB Atlas, and fourth one is the Postman. Now, so that is the plan. In the next video, we will start with the backend. We will set up our Express server from the base, mean from the scratch. It will be simple and easy. And I promise this is totally for the beginners level. And if you found this video helpful, please like this and like this video and subscribe to JDCodebase. It really helps to channel grow. See you in the next video.